everyone, this is Sandy Crane with the Heart, and I'm back with a Destash, which I apparently have to film twice because the first one did not work. So the numbering is going to be a little funky because I'm going to go backwards because this is actually box number 3 that's here. So it's very easy. You have to be living in the U.S. or have a U.S. address that I can mail this to. It's first come, first serve, U.S. only, PayPal only. You need to pay right away. That's it. Okay, so let me start with the big stuff. That way I can just stick it in the box. So this box is box number 3. I'm going to go in reverse order. So box number 3, it's $45 shipped. It ships in a flat rate box, and it's very, very heavy. So you're going to get this full collection of Take Note. It's never been used. You get ephemera and stickers and everything. It's great. The next one is Band Geek. It's photo play, never been used, never opened, has a sticker sheet. Next up, we have the Doodlebug Sticker Value Pack Halloween. I used a handful of stickers from this, hardly anything. I didn't use any of this. It just fell out of the packaging, but I didn't use any of it. So I used a handful of stickers, like maybe, if I used 10 stickers, I'd be shocked. Probably more like 5 stickers out of this Doodlebug. This recipe keepsake spiral, brand new. You can put all your stuff in it, all your recipes and so on. So it's pretty big. And it's from Recollections. It's 9 by 11.5. Okay, also you're going to get this Madeline Bow Bunny collection, never been used. 12 by 12, 48 sheets. And the Maggie Holmes Bloom. This has never been used by Crate Paper, brand new, I believe. Yeah, I've never used this. Okay, so there's that in here. Okay. Also included is, trying to just fit everything in there nicely, My Prima Planner. Get this out of the way. This is some kind of inspiration goodie pack is what it says. You get that. You get this Jelly Bean Soup Stamp and Stencil. You get these Heidi Swap Photo Flip Book. You get these Webster's Pages buttons and twine. These Webster's Pages buttons and twine. Spellcast ephemera. And these assorted clips from Webster's Pages that have never been used. And so this is box number 3, and it is $45 shipped. Okay, now let me get box number 2. Okay, trying to control myself. These boxes are really, really heavy. All right. I'm going to get all the little pieces out. So I don't know what happened, but I went to upload it and it just wasn't there. So I don't even know what happened. So it was frustrating because I was trying to like log in and all kinds of stuff. Okay, let's get going here. This is box number 2. It's $45 shipped. You get this die cuts with a view. It's a hot buy paper. It's called Bella Rouge. I have never used this stack. It was in high demand for a while. It's got this sort of, they're calling it printed cardstock, but it has like a texture to it. Can't really see, but anyway, there's that. You get Summer Bliss by Lori Whitlock, never been used, Echo Park paper pack. You get this Authentique Colorful Christmas, never been used. You get this Secret Crush by Pink Paisley. 12 by 12. It also includes these ephemera packs as well. And you also get this Recollections recipe book. Never been used. It's got stickers in the back, and it's pretty cool, actually. I just don't have time to use it. I just know I'm not going to, and it's taking up a lot of space. So I'm not done. This box has more stuff, but I want to put this away neatly. And I don't even know how I'm going to get to box number 1. That sucker's heavy. Okay, put this back in. So continue on with box number 2. You also are going to get this Bow Bunny Enchanted Harvest, and you're going to get the cardstock stickers for it. You're going to get this burlap sticker from, I don't know where it's from. This stickers, these stickers, these stickers. This is a pack of planner stickers. You get these designer Cartabella stamps, these Echo Park stamps, these stickers, and a couple more things. Let me get the rest of it. And let's see, you also get these last bits of things here. You get this Maya Road. I think they're like, I don't know, they're plastic. And you get these bows. You get these. You get these, and these. And then you get this pack of these cameos. And you also get this pack of stuff from Maya Road. So I can make it fit. It did fit the first time, so I don't know why it's not fitting now. Do the best I can make this all fit. Okay, so this one is box number 2, and it is $45. Okay, so that's box number 2. Let me get box number 1. Okay, so box number 1 is this We Are Memory Keepers frame punch board. It was used twice, I think. It's got all the pieces, just used twice. I just didn't care for it. Wasn't for me. You also get this tag punch by We Are Memory Keepers. It makes this tag right here in 3 sizes, 1 inch, 1.5, and 2 inches. So you get that. You get this Eileen Whole journal die, and it is number 661906. I believe it makes a standard size traveler's notebook. I just can make one easier myself that I prefer to make them on my own and with my own measurements and all that kind of stuff. But anyway, it's been used maybe 5 or 6 times. You know, great condition. You also will get the Biggs die, the Caitlin Lizardi. This, I believe this is a personal size, I'm thinking. The number for this is 662467. This is a number if you want to take a closer look at it. I've used it a couple of times, like twice maybe. So you get that one. You also get the Caitlin Lizardi inserts. This makes helps you make the inserts for the notebook as well as a pocket. And I've used that like twice. Let's see, some other things you're going to get is this. I've never used this. It's a Tim Holtz Alterations Vintage Fan Die. It's a Biggs die. I've never used it. I just bought it twice. So, my bad. And then you get the Eileen Whole, whatever die this is called. I don't know what it's called. Credit card sleeve and tags. I've used like the credit card sleeve part maybe once, but the rest I haven't used because I can make that myself. And then you get this. I've never used it. I've had it forever in my stash. It's Eileen Whole. It's some kind of stitching flower die. It's called Flower and Leaf Stitchlets. Never used it. You also get these. So this is Cinderella with Cinderella's face. Never used it. And then this is Olaf. And then the little Cinderella mice and the clock and pieces that go with the Cinderella dies. You get those. And then you also get cling foam Halloween stamps. I just don't really like foam. I'm never going to use these. And you also get the Christmas one. So this is box number 1, and it's $80 shipped because it ships in a, for $13 or $14 or however much it ships for. So anyway, if you are interested, email me at scoop71@yahoo.com. Please let me know what box you want. Remember, I showed the boxes in reverse order because, yeah. Anyway, thank you for watching. This is Cindy, Create with a Heart.